Hi there, welcome back to Skyway Classics YouTube channel. My name's Nyla and today I have for you a beautiful 1971 Chevy pickup. This is considered a Chevy Cheyenne Super C10. Beautiful with the two-tone baby blue, white top. I just love this classic look. I love the colors. It's got the wood grain in the back. Just doing a little walk around for you. It is a manual, 3-speed on the tree. This thing definitely has some power under the hood. Beautiful blue interior to match. Simple and classic. It looks just as if it came off the, when it was sold. Just the classic gauges and all that stuff, although it's had some different modifications and some performance upgrades. And I will start the engine and show you that.
Here, gonna take her down the street, see how she rides. Let's fix that bump nicely. Coming up into second. And third. Super smooth.
Yes.
The steering wheel is actually nice and tight, which is always great. Really feel the road. Acceleration. See how the brakes work. Nice smooth braking.
Solid.
Yeah, very nice. Okay, let's go ahead and put her up on the lift.
Alrighty.
See how she looks underneath.